Okay guys, Tamiya 240ZG build. Finished this thing this month and I am absolutely loving this thing. I mean, this is a gorgeous kit. I mean, this is a pretty special kit right here. So if you guys have a chance to buy it, go ahead and buy it, because it really is a truly nice, beautiful kit. I love it. I love this little thing. Let me see if I can close this thing up. Look at that. Look at how nice that thing closes too. Very nice. Very nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Peposo. Peposo. Bonito bello, mano. A lot of nice details on this kit. A little dusty here and there. I should have grabbed a little brush and gotten a couple of those little specks out here and there, but it's okay. It looks real good, man. It looks really, really good, this model. It's a great kit, guys. If you have a chance to acquire one, go ahead and do it. They're worth every single penny. Then again, it's a Tamiya, so that's usually a given right there. All right, guys. Thank you.